The Prophet ﷺ looks around and he says, where's Ka'b? What happened to Ka'b ibn Malik? Not making an assumption. قال رجل من بني سلمة, a man stood up from Banu Salama and he said, Ya Rasulullah, حبسه برداه والنظر في عطفيه. He said, Ya Rasulullah, the beauty of his gardens and his sudden wealth distracted him. And subhanAllah, he said, Mu'adh ibn Jabal radiallahu anhu stood up and he said, بئس ما قلت والله يا رسول الله ما علمنا عليه إلا خيرا. He said, what a horrible thing you just said. Wallahi ya Rasulullah, we only know good things about Ka'b. See, subhanAllah, always read the story and assume that you could be someone else in the story. This is your typical backbiting moment. All right? And this is how righteous religious people fall into the depths of ugly sin. You're sitting around and, hey, have you seen that person? They haven't come to the masjid in a long time. Yeah, I saw them at the mall the other day. You know, I saw them here. Those indications. Mu'adh ibn Jabal, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, out of his righteousness. Notice, by the way, the man who backbited is not named. So Ka'b radiyallahu anhu knows who he is, but he's doing sitr of him. He's concealing his identity, but he's praising Mu'adh ibn Jabal. He's saying, but Mu'adh ibn Jabal stood up and Mu'adh radiyallahu anhu said, what a horrible thing you just said. Wallahi ya Rasulullah, we only know good things about Ka'b. Like, I can't testify to what held him back, but the man's track record should mean something. He's a good man. We know the Sahabi. We know Ka'b radiyallahu ta'ala anhu.